everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the unknown Bluetooth device error message you're receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. We're coming across all these unknown devices that are ready to pair to your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu and search for services. Best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Go down to the Bluetooth support service and double click on it. You want to go ahead and stop that service and then start it up again. And then select OK. And see if that resolves the problem. You may want to come back in here as well and set the startup type to automatic. That might be something else that could be leading to that issue to occur. So something else we can take a look at as well on top of that would, if we close out of here, open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then you want to scroll down underneath other and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. It's going to ask if it has permissions to run the automatic diagnostics tools. Select yes. Select continue. And it's going to run some common diagnostics to hopefully resolve the problem automatically. And then again, you would just follow along how it specifies on here. It will give you recommendations as it goes along. So pretty straightforward process. Again, just follow along with the recommended suggestions here. And then hopefully your issue would have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.